Almost every lady struggles with making their nail polish last longer. This is because of chippings here and there a few days after a manicure. In this video, we're here to ease your struggle, as we will share some tips on how to make nail polish last longer. Hi, welcome to Valure Beauty Channel. Here we give you beauty updates on the latest trends, styles, how-tos, and other essential beauty information to beauty enthusiasts around the world. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to enjoy more beauty content. Do you experience nail chipping a few days after your manicure? Almost every lady has experienced this. It is mostly a painful experience because you have spent your time and probably your money to achieve beautiful-looking nails. Well, we have good news for you. We will share some tips with you on how to make your nail polish last longer. But before then, how long does nail polish last? How long does nail polish last? We all want to enjoy our perfectly manicured nails without chipping, but how long do they actually last? How long the nail polish lasts depends on the type you use. If you use normal nail polish, it can only last for 2 to 5 days. But nail polish such as polygel lasts for about 2 weeks. Tips on how to make nail polish last longer. If you want to keep your nails looking fresher without chipping, here are some tips to follow. Roll the nail polish bottle. If you have had your nail polish for a while, you might notice that it has settled down. To mix, make sure you roll the polish rather than shake it. Shaking it creates bubbles that are filled with air, and when you apply the polish to your nails, the bubbles burst and your polish begins to chip. But if you roll the bottle, the polish will not create any bubbles. Apply thin layers. The way you apply the nail polish matters a lot if you want a lasting polish without chipping. When applying it, make sure you apply thin layers rather than thick ones. Thin layer dries faster and does not create smudge compared to thick layers, so it lasts longer without chipping. Top up the top coats. You need to step up your maintenance game if you want to get lasting nails without chipping. Make sure you keep your nails fresh by topping up the top coat on your nails every 3 days.